Hey guys, it's Jason with Kentucky Sustainable Living. Today I'm going to show you one of our products that is on our website. This is our bleeding control kit. You can get it with or without the box. These boxes are a metal box that are made in the United States. They're made down in Texas. Awesome company that we work with to get these boxes. And like I said, you can buy these with or without the box. We came up with these because we needed a practical solution for churches, businesses, even household stuff to have a bleeding control kit handy. I developed this for our church. We installed 25 of these in my church with the boxes and everything. And like I said, you can get them with or without the boxes. So I'm going to show you everything that's in it. All right, you got your box that you can mount it. It's got mounting tabs that you can mount to where you can mount it on the wall. They're not super heavy. I used hollow wall anchors at my church to mount all these. We mounted these in all the kids' classrooms. And we did some trauma bags for also our security team and our medical team at church. So we've got all that set and ready to go. So what you've got on your bleeding control kit, this is a vacuum sealed bag. It's got tear tabs on it, and we'll go over everything that's in here, and I'll show you what's in here. I'll read it off. On this, we've got a Cat Gen 7 tourniquet, a set of hyphen chest seals. We've got a 4-inch trauma bandage. We've got 2 sets of compressed gauze, 1 trauma shear. We've got an emergency mylar blanket. We've also got a Slushman Pressure Wrap, and we've got a pair of nitrile gloves in there. And one reason we put the Slushman Pressure Wrap in is because we put these in the kids' classrooms. And with children, you've got smaller limbs, and your cat tourniquets will not go on. Your cat tourniquets and your soft tourniquets will only go down so far. So if you've got a smaller child or an infant, and the cat tourniquet won't go all the way down to where you can apply pressure, that's where the Slushman Pressure Wrap comes in. The Slushman Pressure Wrap, you can get inclusion on it and stop the bleeding with it, especially on a child or an infant. So that's why we put the Slushman Pressure Wrap in there as standard. So let's open this joker and I'll show you everything that's in it. So see how easy it tears? First off, you've got the Slushman Pressure Wrap. Most of them are orange. We've got some that are orange and some that are black. And also on the website, you can buy just individual stuff if you'd like to. So we got Slushman Pressure Wrap. We got a set of nitrile gloves. We got a set of trauma shears in there. We've got your emergency survival blanket. We've got a 4-inch trauma bandage in there. There's your set of hyphen. These are the hyphen compact chest seals. There's 2 in the package for front and back. There's 1 set of compressed gauze. And there's another thing of compressed gauze in there. Then you've got your Sharpie marker. You've also got a Cat Gen 7 tourniquet. You can get these with a cat tourniquet or you can get them with a soft tourniquet. It just depends on what you like better. So guys, this is our bleeding control kit. Like I said, you can get it just in the vacuum sealed bag like this, or you can get it with the box on there. The boxes are American made boxes. I love the company we're working with on these. So guys, if you need anything, head over to the website, KentuckySustainableLiving.com. Check it out under medical kits. Get one of yours today. If you need anything, shoot us an email and we'll be glad to help you. Guys, y'all have an amazing day. See you.